Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's Easy Does Too. Today we're checking out a 5.0 Mustang here in the city of West Covina Ford. And this is I never seen this color before on a Mustang from the factory. Let's check it out. Has the performance package wheels. Michelin Pilot Sport. Ooh, not bad. 48,000. Let's check the back. It has a nice wing. Pretty cool racing stripe. Michelin Pilot Sport. 275 4019. Very nice color. So this is the Mustang 5.0 here at the city of West Covina Ford. Easy Does Too. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.